Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss about Y chromosome. Male or female, how is gender determined? I hope everyone knows the physical difference between male and female, right? But what biological processes actually makes a baby either a boy or a girl? It is actually our 23rd and final pair of chromosomes that hold the key to sex determination. In that previous video itself, we discussed 22 pairs or autosomes, right? Which determines our bodily character, and then that 23rd pair, last chromosomes, final pair of chromosome that hold the key to sex determination. If it is a XX condition, that is female. If it is XY condition, that would be a male, right? Thus, it stands to reason that the presence of Y chromosome is what causes someone to become a man. Got it? Shall we discuss about Y chromosome now? Name of the chromosome which we are going to discuss now is Y chromosome. And the type of Y chromosome is sex chromosome. It is otherwise named as allosome. The size of Y chromosome is 57,227,415 base pair. BP stands for base pairs, nitrogenous base pairs. Number of genes present on the Y chromosome is 50 to 60 now. And then important genes present on the Y chromosome are SRY gene, TDF, or AZF1, AZF2, AZF. What is AZF? Azoospermia factor. Then DAZ. These are the important genes present on the Y chromosome, which play a potential genetic functions too. What about the function of Y chromosome? Y chromosome play a vital role to develop maleness, and then it develops testes, it develops sperm. That process is called as spermatogenesis, and then it gives male secondary reproductive phenotype. Phenotype means external expression. Then masculine nature, other male related phenotypes, everything is induced by Y chromosome. And then what about the location of centromere in the Y chromosome? Acrocentric. This is actually a centromere which is in the position of acrocentric. What about the individual? It produces Y chromosome. If Y chromosome present in human, that induces maleness, right? Current analysis of Y chromosome have revealed numerous genes and regions with potential genetic function occurs on Y chromosome. With the help of the current analysis, scientists discovered lot of potential genes functioning on Y chromosomes, right? See to the picture, it is actually a X chromosome and it is a Y chromosome. Will you able to differentiate X and Y? Pathoni mein theriyudu, X chromosome is actually larger than the Y chromosome, right? But what is the one important similarity which can able to see at the both the end of X and Y chromosome has pseudo autosomal regions. These pseudo autosomal regions are PAR1 and PAR2. See, this is the X chromosome. That red annotated area is a PAR1, PAR2. See the Y chromosome now. Here also PAR1, PAR2 is present. What is PAR1 and PAR2? That is actually a pseudo autosomal region. What is the importance of this region? Pseudo autosomal region which synapse and recombine during the meiosis process. See to the box, the X and Y chromosomes are homologous only at pseudo autosomal regions which are essential for X and Y chromosome pair pairing in meiosis in the male. Male meiosis அப்ப pair ஆகக்கூடிய இந்த ரீஜனை pseudo autosomal region 1 and 2 சொல்லுவோம். டிப்ல இருக்கு இந்த ரீஜன். Got it? X and Y குரோமோசோமோட டிப்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த ரீஜனுக்கு பேரு pseudo autosomal region 1 and 2. மேல இருக்கிறது region 1 and then bottomல இருக்கிறது region 2. Got it? Pseudo autosomal region par 1 and par 2 located on the both the ends, right? How many percentage it occupied? Just a 5% it occupied on the Y chromosome. And then beside this, the other region C, this region we denoted as MSY. What is MSY? Male specific region. Male specific region occupies Y chromosome 95%. What it contains? It contains majority of genes including SRY. See, this is SRY region, right? Sex determining region of Y chromosome is called it as SRY region. What is SRY? Sex determining region of Y chromosome is called it as SRY region. Not only SRY region, this MSY contain AZF. What is AZF? Azoospermia factor, which is needed for sperm production. These are the regions present on the male specific region. Got it? Yes? The remaining region I told you that 95% occupied by MSF, right? So the remaining 95% of the Y chromosome is referred as the non-combining region. Okay, the MSF region நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Non-combining region of the Y chromosome சொல்லுவோம். ஏன் இந்த non-combining region of the Y chromosome சொல்லறோம்? இந்த மேல்னஸுக்கான ஜீன் ரீஜன் மட்டும் தான் அதுல இருக்கும். இந்த இடத்துல ரீகாம்பினேஷன் நடக்காது. அதனால இந்த நான் கம்பைனிங் ரீஜன் ஆஃப் த Y குரோமோசோம் சொல்றோம். திஸ் MSF region is non combining region of Y chromosome. NRY region சொல்லலாம். இந்த NRY region is divided into two functional genes, right? One is euchromatic. See the picture. This is euchromatic. And then another one is a heterochromatic. The NRY is divided equally into functional genes, that is euchromatic and then heterochromatic. Euchromatic is functional and then heterochromatic is non-functional. Why we used to say euchromatic is functional? Because euchromatic have functionally active genes and then heterochromatic region has non-functional genes. Within the euchromatic region, see to the picture, within the euchromatic region, the SRY region is present. The SRY region is a sex determining region. What is SRY region? Sex determining region. In human, absence of Y chromosome. Imagine if one individual don't have Y chromosome, it inevitably leads into female. If there is no Y chromosome, there will be a female development. So in that female chromosome, imagine this is a female chromosome, X chromosome, SRY region is absent. Got it? The gene product of SRY, this is Y chromosome, it has SRY gene. The gene product of SRY is actually TDF, which is actually missed in the X chromosome. Now only I told you that absence of Y chromosome gives female development, that is X chromosome they have, X chromosome don't have SRY gene, right? X chromosome la என்ன இருக்காது? SRY gene இருக்காது. அப்ப இந்த SRY gene யார்ல மட்டும் இருக்கும்? Y chromosome ல மட்டும் இந்த SRY ஜீன் இருக்கும். அப்ப இந்த SRY ஜீனோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன? gene product produce பண்ணும். This SRY gene produces its product named as TDF. What is TDF? Testis determining factor. What is TDF? Testis determining factor present in the adult male testes which induces maleness. Got it? Yes, புரியுதா? See the picture comparison between the X chromosome and Y chromosome. X and Y chromosome have pseudo-autosomal region 1, pseudo-autosomal region 2 at the tip of that chromosome, and then X chromosome have differential region of the X-linked gene on it. As such as Y chromosome have differential region of the Y-linked gene, and one more thing, Y chromosome have SRY gene which induces maleness because SRY gene's product is TDF which is absent in the female. Got it? I hope you can understand well. Thank you, children.